Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. Windows 11 right-click not working fix. First method is right-click Windows button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is click Start, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand directory. Click and expand background. Click and expand Shell EX. Click and expand context menu handlers. Delete all folders except FileSync EX, New, Sharing and Work folders. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.